Welcome back to another video, guys. So yep, that was a little slowdown. Now we're finally picking up some pace here. Seems like it might be slippery over here. Might be slippery. I guess like I had two options. I could have gone to that other side, which is called Express, or stay on this side, and then I think they merge together later on. It doesn't really matter. I guess this is more for like people who want to take an exit in between. I'm going straight anyways, so it doesn't really matter to me. Yeah, someone made a comment about me staying on the right lane for too long, so I'm trying to avoid that as much as possible if I'm not the fastest vehicle. But I'm just trying to keep up with the speed limit here, you know, the traffic flow. Is that a Subaru manufacturing plant? See the road. Come on in. It's a very slushy condition right now, guys. Only used half of my windshield washer. Oh my God. Why is this truck trying to pass? What is it trying to pass? Slow moving vehicles? Don't want to drive too close to the truck either, because see, sometimes situations like this, it just slows everything down. I mean, in this situation, he should be driving on the right, you know, not on the passing lane. He's not gaining much time. Milton, 20 kilometers. Getting close to Milton. Factory here, some sort of manufacturing. .407. Don't want to take that. That's a toll road. I think we all merge right here. We all merge to that express. And somewhere over here, there's going to be an option to go to Brampton. Famous college for the international students. I didn't know he was here. Something happened here, guys. Is it a crash? Some sort of crash? Look at that guy, man. Come on. You shouldn't be driving that fast. There's a reason why people are slowing down. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's nothing ahead. But I see like people like driving on HOV lanes like by themselves. I mean, it's meant for a different reason. It's not a passing lane. I guess maybe there was nothing here. Here on GPS, like this section of the road, it shows like red, but maybe there was an accident here and it got cleared. The Google Maps is normally pretty good with stuff like that. Cops ahead, huh? Beauty of 401. Look at how many lanes here there are. 3, 4, 5, 6, 11. I mean, come on. It's packed. A certain time of the day, it is packed. Alright guys, see you on next video.